Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we pick up where we left off at the northern terminus of I-290 in the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois. We're going to get onto I-90 and head west to Minneapolis. Our original intent on this trip was to pick up I-94 in Chicago to add more videos to our I-94 series. However, it was getting late in the day and our destination for the night was still several hours away. This seemed to be a shorter route, although in reality it would have only been an additional 18 miles if we had taken I-94 up through Milwaukee. Plus, we were in the wrong lane when it was time to get on I-94, and we ended up going straight on I-290. So we'll be driving I-90 west to Madison, Wisconsin, and then we'll be on I-94 for the rest of the trip. Here, I-90 is a tollway, and this is the first time in the history of 504 road trips that we've been on a toll road, with the exception of 2 bridges in Louisiana and 1 bridge in Florida. Before we left for this trip, we signed up for iPass, which uses license plate readers to charge the toll to your account. This system works throughout Illinois, but this is the only toll road we used, and at the end of it all, we were charged 3 separate tolls, totaling $6.40. I-90 here is typically called the Northwest Tollway, but is officially named for Jane Addams, a social activist of the early 1900s. We enter the village of Hoffman Estates, which has a population of 52,530 as of the 2020 census. The area was sparsely populated by German settlers until 1954, when Sam and Jack Hoffman, owners of Father and Son Construction, bought 160 acres of land here. They had the first 40 acres rezoned into 10,000 square foot home sites and began building. As the population grew, fearing annexation by nearby Schaumburg, the citizens incorporated the area as a village in 1959. In 1992, Sears Roebuck & Company relocated its 5,000-employee merchandise group to the 7,100-acre Prairie Stone Business Park, one of the largest corporate centers in the northwest suburbs. If you happen to be a bowling enthusiast, Hoffman Estates may sound familiar. From 1994 to 2014, the local Hoffman Lanes hosted the annual Peterson Classic, known for 111 years as America's toughest bowling tournament. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Kane County, the fifth most populous county in Illinois, with 516,522 residents as of the 2020 census. The county was formed in 1836 and was named for Elias Kane, the first Secretary of State of Illinois. We're in the city of Elgin, which has a population of 114,797 as of the 2020 census. Early in its history, in 1864, the Elgin National Watch Company was founded, eventually to become the world's largest watch manufacturing complex for a time. Elgin is home to the Elgin Academy, the oldest coeducational, non-sectarian college preparatory school west of the Allegheny Mountains. Elgin High School boasts 5 Navy admirals, a Nobel Prize winner, a Pulitzer Prize winner, a Tony Award winner, 2 Academy Award-winning producers, Olympic athletes, and a General Motors CEO among its alumni. Elgin resident John Murphy invented the motorized street sweeper in 1914 and later formed the Elgin Sweeper Corporation. Pioneering African-American chemist Lloyd Hall was an Elgin native, as was the legendary marketer and car stereo pioneer Earl Madman Muntz, and Max Adler, founder of the Adler Planetarium in Chicago, America's first planetarium.
When your heart is raised to raise it, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go.
We enter the village of Gilberts, named for an early resident. The village was platted in 1855 as Gilbert Station along the Chicago and Northwestern Railroad, serving as a loading point for agricultural commodities. When the village was incorporated in 1890, the possessive S was retained, but the apostrophe was dropped. Today, Gilberts has a population of 8,366. Here we enter the village of Huntley, which has a population of 27,740 as of the 2020 census. The village was platted in 1851 by Thomas Huntley and incorporated in 1872. Largely an agricultural area until the 1980s, the development of a large senior citizens residential area and suburban sprawl caused the population to double between 1990 and 2000. Today's population is 5 times the population of 2000. We conclude today's video here at mile 45. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.